Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be talking about this bot miner that pays you while mining. So if it's what you are looking for, stay tuned and watch this video. So this bot miner is called ATF. If you check my dashboard, we have three balance on my dashboard. The first one is my total assets, the total amount I have gotten from the platform. The second one is my holding amount, which I have already withdrawn. That's the money I've withdrawn. And the third one is the current amount that I have mined so far, which is the 18,778. So I will show you guys the difference. As you can see, this thing is mining. It's currently mining, and the minimum withdrawal on this platform is 500 ATC. So the next one is the miner speed. So the more you mine, the more your speed. The more amount you have on your balance, the more your speed. Currently I'm on level 7, which I have over 449. So if I get 482 ATF, that's 482 token, my speed will increase to level 8 and I'll be getting 0.7. My speed will increase to 0.7. So the next one is the task. When you register, you get to complete these tasks. The tokens, the reward are very good, plus 8 token. That's the one that is plus 10, and this one is plus 300. So from the YouTube like and comment to the visit website is for 4 hours task. So every 4 hours you come and check if you have any available tasks. So the next one is the friends, which you can come and copy and refer your friends. You can send your link to them. They can join you in the mining process. The app is totally free. You don't need to deposit or else you want to. So it's not a more that you can deposit before you can make your withdrawal. So the next one is my profile. You see where you get to see your ID, your asset, your holding wallet, your pool wallet. That's the three amount I told you guys I show you on my dashboard. The first one, that is 449, is my total assets, the amount I have mined so far on the platform. My holding wallet, that's the amount I have withdrawn from the platform. And my pool wallet, that's the amount I have currently, I have claimed so far currently since I have withdrawn. So if you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw, put the amount. But take note, minimum withdrawal is 500 ATF. So if you don't have up to 500 ATF, you cannot place your withdrawal, and their charges fee is 70 ATF. So if you have to withdraw 500, they will minus 70 ATF from it, and you will be getting the remaining. That's you'll be getting 430 in your balance, in your token keeper. But before you withdraw, you need to link your wallet. You check at the top, you see where they will tell you link your wallet. You go and download token keeper. That's the wallet you're going to use in withdrawing. So here you get to see the history of the amount that you have withdrawn. So you can see my own, the amount I have withdrawn from the platform, which is showing as approved, and is also on my balance. So now when you withdraw from the platform, don't swap. If you know you're not making use of the money yet, I advise you not to swap, because when you swap, it will reduce your mining speed. Yes, so that wallet holding means, because I've already withdrawn the money but I did not swap it, so it's also showing as ATF token. Let's go to my wallet. Let me show you guys. So I've withdrawn and the money is showing. I've gotten the money, ATF token at the down part. You see it 431.18 token, and in tone you see it's 0.3. That's the amount in tone. So when you click on it, let's say you want to swap it to tone or USDT, depending on the choice is yours. Let's say I want to make use of the money now. I don't want to hold, I don't want to leave it, I don't want to leave the token. So you can just come on swap, put the amount that you want to swap, and it will show. If it's tone that you want to swap it to, fine and good. If it's USDT, you choose, and you see the amount in USDT. So since I'm not using the money yet, I don't want to swap. I still want to leave it like this so that my mining speed will not reduce. So that's why it's still showing at the wallet holding. So don't if you still want to try, you can, when you withdraw, try and swap. You see that your level will reduce to level 1. You'll be getting 0.2 speed. So I advise you leave it on your hold to maintain your speed. Don't swap yet, or else maybe you have a lot of money and you want to swap, you want to make use of the money here, you can now swap. So that's all for this platform. It's not difficult. When you join, you start mining immediately. When you have up to 500 token, you can make your withdrawal, connect your token keeper before withdrawing. Thanks for watching up to this hour. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. If you still have any other question, you can drop it on the comment section. The link to this both miner, it will be on the description box or the comment section.